Well, turning to the weather, it took a while, but the fog eventually moved out by mid-morning, and it's actually looking pretty good out there right now, Carrie.
Yeah, Cheryl, and the temperatures, man, they really spiked as soon as we got that sunshine. Finally, I can see from on top of the Dominion building earlier this morning, not even a chance, but now you can see the types of clouds that are over us. They're high, thin clouds, so we're getting plenty of sunshine. I do want to show you on our visible satellite view here. The black background lets me point out here's the only place where I'm still seeing a little bit of patchy fog that's left, continuing to mix out. Temperatures lagging a little bit behind where we still have some of that lingering low cloud cover, so it's still into the 30s in many of these areas. But look, live updates, temperatures are jumping as we're getting that sunshine coming in. So there are high clouds that are streaming over us right now. Temperatures across the metro into the 40s now, much better than where we were this morning with the freezing fog at 28 degrees. That allowed for that layer of ice to form. Winds were calm this morning. That was another contributing factor to the fog forming, as well as having clearing skies overnight. And we get clearing skies this afternoon. Plenty of sunshine. Our high temperatures should make it up to 51 degrees. So let's turn our attention to our next storm system, and I'm showing you the upper level features. This is our jet stream. It's that fast moving current of air that storm tracks right along like a vehicle on a highway. So there's our storm system, and let's just tilt this in and focus on what it's doing. Obviously, a lot of cloud cover with it in the green to the orange and red shades. It's where we're getting some rain, very heavy in places, and also the blue and white shades indicating snow. This has produced some very heavy snow near a foot in parts of the Texas panhandle, and this system is going to bring both increasing clouds starting tomorrow afternoon and also rain and even the potential for some snow, mainly in the mountains. Mainly in the mountains, folks. Let's talk about the rain, because this is really going to be the big story for us, and we'll take this at each clock check. So let's pause here at 5 p.m. Rain starting to arrive tomorrow. If you have Friday evening plans, here we are at 6:30 dinner time, prime time. Looks like it's going to be very wet all the way through your Friday evening plan, so just plan on the rain gear. It will be a must. Notice that even where it may start as snow in the mountains, will likely switch over to rain for an extended period of time overnight Friday into early Saturday morning. Here we are Saturday at 7 a.m. That's when we start to get some lulls in the precipitation. So let's just focus in here on a different view, because I also want to let you know that there may be enough cold air coming into play for us during late Saturday morning, and that's what this pink represents. The fact that there just may be some wet snowflakes that survive down to the ground, but it's still primarily light rain that's falling through Saturday afternoon. Our heaviest rain is going to occur during Friday evening and overnight, and we could easily see about an inch of rain in many locations. The snowfall potential really not good. You'll have to go out into the mountains to see any of the sticking snow, and remember, they're also going to get an extended period overnight Friday into early Saturday morning of rain, so that's really going to cut down on the snow accumulation potential out in the mountains. But it is going to be much colder next week, Cheryl, as this big trough dives down over us. Arctic air returns, and we do have a slight chance for some light snow Monday.
We still have a little bit of winter to come. Thank you, Carrie.